Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can share your screen within your meetings or during your meetings on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So head over to your meeting, let me go with this one here. And what you want to do, guys, is click into that share button next to the microphone button here in the top right corner of that menu. And after that, select screen, window, or tab to select your source on the next page. So you may go, for example, with specific tab within Google Chrome if you're accessing Microsoft Live via Google Chrome. So simply click into it, or you may select a window on your computer or your entire screen. It's totally up to you. Let me go with the Chrome tab here. And yeah, you may also share the tab audio, for example, if you like, or disable this. So yeah, after that, click into share and start sharing your display just like that within your meeting. As you can see, this tab is being shared now. If you'd like to stop the sharing, guys, click into this button, return to your meeting, and again click into share here, select screen, window, or tab, and after that select either a tab here or go with your entire screen. So let us go with the entire screen this time. Click into share, and there you go. As you can see, Teams is now sharing your screen to your meeting participants. If you'd like to stop the sharing, simply click into this button or here at the bottom, and that is going to stop the screen sharing for your meeting. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.